Hi, my name is Manna Kadar, founder of Manna Kadar Cosmetics, and today I'm so excited to share with you our three-step process. Step 1 is prime, step 2 is polish, step 3 is perfect, and with these 3 steps you can get your full face in 7 minutes or less. So let's begin. Step 1 here is prime, and what I did here is I put all of the steps on each product, so it'll be really easy for you at home to be able to know when to use the products. So all of step 1 are primer products, so we're just going to apply primer all over the face. Now we're moving on to step 2, which is our foundation. This is a really great full coverage foundation. You can use it also as concealer as well, so a little bit goes a really long way. So just apply it evenly all over the face. I'm using this really great brush in the collection as well. And what brushes do is it applies the product really evenly. We've used the primer as our first step so that it fills in any fine lines, any enlarged pores, any wrinkles, so that you have a really great smooth application for this foundation to go on right over it. So this is a really full coverage foundation, and what's really nice is in addition to using it in double duty as a primer, you can use this all over your chest and your décolleté as well to really match up the foundation color. And this is long wear all day, but it feels really lightweight on the skin, so your skin is still really breathable. Okay, now we are moving into step 3. So we have the steps on all of the products here. This is one of my favorite pieces called Blossom. It's your highlighter, your bronzer, and your blush in one. So we're gonna use another professional brush in the collection and just apply directly onto her cheek. So I'm just blending all of the colors together to create just a really beautiful pop of color on the cheek. Blush is one of my favorite products. It adds so much light and life to your face. It's one of those products that I never leave home without. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna take a little bit of this highlighter color here, and I'm just gonna swipe it above her cheekbone, just to accentuate her cheekbones and lift and give some more light to the face. And now I'm using the bronzer color, and I'm gonna go all around her face to just give her some dimension and contour and really shade and shape her face as well. Another part of the step 3 process is also lip and eye. So this is one of my favorite lip products here. It's called a lip wand. It's a retractable lip wand, so you don't need to sharpen at all. And what's great about these lip wands is you can use it as a lip liner and also fill in for the rest of your lip as a lipstick as well. And that's it. That was our easy breezy step 1, 2, and 3 process with a full face in 7 minutes or less.